Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. My name is Mohammed Zamzam. I'm excited to partner with you today to ensure you're getting the most out of your Cisco investments. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial capability within the Cisco Secure Firewall, the Encrypted Visibility Engine, or EVE. In this session, we'll explore how EVE allows us to see the unseen, and why it's a foundational piece of our architecture and strategy. The reality of today's internet is that it has gone dark to traditional inspection methods. With 90% of traffic now encrypted, defenders are operating with a significant blind spot. In fact, over 80% of attacks leverage encrypted channels, and 76% of critical threats are found directly within encrypted traffic. Attackers know that if defenders aren't actively scanning these encrypted channels, it doesn't take a high volume of traffic to breach the network. So why not just decrypt everything? We call this the decryption paradox. While just decrypt it sounds like an easy fix, it isn't always the right answer. First, there is a massive performance tax, often incurring a 6x to 12x throughput penalty on your hardware. Second, privacy compliance regulations like GDPR and HIPAA strictly limit what we are permitted to decrypt. Finally, technical feasibility is a major barrier due to the rise of PIN certificates and TLS 1.3. To solve this, EVE represents an evolutionary leap in inspection. Think of it this way: you don't need to open the envelope to know who sent the letter. Originally stemming from the Anderson and McGrew research paper on deciphering malware's use of TLS, EVE started as an experimental feature in version 7.1. By version 7.2, it became an official visibility release, and now, with version 7.4, it includes automated blocking and enforcement capabilities. How does it work? EVE finds the fingerprint in the noise. By analyzing clear text metadata during the TLS handshake, specifically the client hello and server hello EVE fingerprints the application before the encryption even begins. It securely evaluates elements like the server name indication, ALPN, cipher suites, and TLS extensions during the exchange keys phase, long before the encrypted tunnel is actually formed. This capability is powered by machine learning at a global scale, backed by Cisco Talos Intelligence. We process over 1 billion daily fingerprints and 10,000 daily malware samples. Through continuous machine learning training on anonymized telemetry, the system constantly updates its vulnerability database fingerprints, so you are always protected against the latest threats. The result is security without the tax. EVE allows you to gain deep visibility into encrypted threats with minimal performance impact. Unlike full TLS decryption, which causes a significant penalty and drops network throughput capacity drastically, running clear text traffic or having EVE enabled keeps your capacity at a negligible impact, running right near 100%. EVE also helps you know your traffic through precise client process identification. It can identify over 5,000 client processes, distinguishing easily between a Python script running automation and a standard Chrome web browser. This level of detail enriches your host OS discovery data and helps you track whether specific applications have a high, medium, or low prevalence in your environment. This deep visibility means you can catch the wolf in sheep's clothing. EVE performs malware detection via probability scoring, using a threat confidence meter that classifies traffic as safe, suspicious, or malicious. For example, if it detects a known malware family like an Emotet or TrickBot variant via a fingerprint match with a, quote, very high 99% confidence score, it will immediately recommend a blocking action. All of this intelligence feeds directly into your firewall management center through unified events, seamlessly turning raw data into decisions. From the analysis dashboard, administrators can view connection and HTTP event types alongside the encrypted visibility fingerprint, the process name, and the threat confidence score. This unified table view instantly highlights high-risk processes that are mapped to very high threat confidence scores, significantly accelerating your investigations. New in version 7.4 is the ability to block with confidence. Automated enforcement allows admins to easily define their risk tolerance and block high-probability threats instantly. You can configure the action to block traffic based on the EVE score, selecting thresholds ranging from very low and low up to medium, high, and very high. EVE also natively solves the QUIC and HTTP/3 challenge. While traditional TCP and TLS connections are standard, QUIC is notoriously hard to decrypt. EVE natively inspects QUIC handshakes, seamlessly handling services like Google and YouTube, which account for 35% of today's traffic. Because of EVE's native inspection, there is no need to downgrade protocols to maintain your security posture. To summarize the EVE value proposition, you gain crucial visibility into encrypted flows without the need for decryption. You maintain high performance with no hardware upgrades required. You remain compliance safe by delivering security without violating user privacy. And finally, you enable actionable enforcement through automated blocking paired with confidence scores. Best of all, deploying this capability is as simple as flipping a switch. For our version 7.4 Quick Start checklist, simply navigate to your Access Control Policy and select the Advanced tab. Next, enable the Encrypted Visibility Engine, toggle block traffic based on EVE score, set your desired threshold, and hit Save and Deploy. Ultimately, EVE delivers deep science with simple security. Based on foundational research into deciphering malware's use of TLS, it's designed to bring you unparalleled visibility seamlessly within your Cisco Secure Firewall environment. Thank you for your time, and I'd be happy to answer any questions.